Do you want to get a jump on starting investing for the new year? Or are you going to wait till January 1st to get started? Well, if you want to get started, you can start at Fidelity. You have to open an account. So I'm going to take you to, we're going to go right here. We could go over here, open account. And this is for the newbies, the people that are starting investing for the first time. So right here also, you can open an account here. So let's just go in. Now, you could open a Roth IRA. You could open an IRA. There's two types. And you could also open just a brokerage account. Now, for investing, you could just open a brokerage account. You don't have to put it within a retirement account. So, and there are different accounts at Fidelity. So there's so many. This just happens to be where I have my account and where I'm going to build my account over the next 5 years to leave my 9 to 5. That's the mission. That's the goal. That's why I'm here. So once you open an account, you're going to see, we're going to go right here to know, are you already a Fidelity customer? I'm going to put no because this is just a quick walkthrough. And since I already have an account, I'm just showing you the basics. So what you're going to need, you're going to need your your ID. You're going to have to set up a password, and you're going to have to have the account that you want to transfer money from to start this account so you can start investing. So we're going to hit next. Now, just remember there's no minimums with this account. So you don't have to put $100. You don't have to put 1,000. You don't have to put that much money in. You could just start with $50. And you can build up. Like every time you have money, you can put it in. So you're going to put your name, your social, date of birth, and you'll just fill out this part. Where do you live? And after that, you'll fill out that information. You'll put your bank routing information, and then your account will be opened. And it's that quick. So don't forget a couple of things. This is not the only platform that you can use. You could also use Vanguard. You could also use Charles Schwab or even E-Trade. There's so many different brokerage houses that you could use nowadays that this is not the only one. But this is the one I'm showing you because this is the one I use. Okay, so that's the starting point. So just let me know. Did you open your account? Where did you open your account? It could be any other that you choose. Now remember, this one has no minimums. And let's see. I want to make sure I didn't forget any. Yeah. So just choose the amount, how you're going to fund it. And I like ETFs. So you could choose which vehicle. There's ETFs, there's index funds, and I'll talk more about that in another video. So this was just a quick look at opening your account. And this is for my newbies. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know. Did you at least look at this to get ready to start opening your account? And like and share. And I'll see you in the next video.